children, good morning. See children, how are you all? Okay, I want to give you a suggestion. In this pandemic situation, we have to follow healthy precautions. Okay children, see you have to drink a glass of hot water for every 1 hour. Why? What is the reason for drinking hot water? It kills the infection in your throat. Then you will be healthy. I think you will follow my suggestion and be healthy. Okay children, let us go to the lesson. See, in the previous class, we have learned the first chapter of this new academic syllabus. What is that? Large numbers. Okay. See, I hope that you understood the previous videos regarding the large numbers first chapter. So, let us start the second chapter, that is the basic operations on large numbers. The 4 basic operations on large numbers. See children, this is not a new topic. Already you have learned in the previous class. I think you have an idea what are the 4 basic operations. Okay, I will show you some chalk pieces. You tell me. Here, one chalk piece and another one. Another one. See how many chalk pieces I am showing you? 1, 1, 1. Can you say like that? No. How can you say what is the number of chalk pieces in my hand? See, you can say 4. That means you are combining all the chalk pieces and you are giving the answer. Right children? So, when I am showing these chalk pieces, what are you doing? You are joining all the chalk pieces. You are combining all the chalk pieces and you are giving the answer. That means what are you doing here? You are adding all the chalk pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that you are adding and you are giving the answer. So adding means it is addition. It represents addition. What is this addition? This is the first basic operation. Among the 4 basic operations, addition is the first basic operation. Okay children, what do you know about addition? See, we have 4 basic operations. Do you know what are the 4 basic operations? Yes. Already in the previous classes we have learned the first basic operation is addition. The first basic operation is addition. Do you know what is the second basic operation? Yes, it is subtraction. The second basic operation is subtraction. What is the third one? Multiplication. The third basic operation is multiplication. And what is the next one? It is division. The next basic operation is division. See, these are the 4 basic operations we have in arithmetic. Today we will go with addition. The first basic operation in arithmetic, that is addition. Children, do you know who invented these additions? See, in olden days, Chinese invented these additions. When did they invent these additions? 6,000 years ago. 6,000 years ago, Chinese invented these additions. See, in what cases we have to do addition? So, and what is the symbol of addition? Do you know all these things? Do you know what is the symbol of addition? Yes, we have to take a sweeping line, on that a standing line. This symbol is known as plus. This is the plus symbol we use for additions. Do you know this children? Yes, when we are doing addition, we should represent that addition by using this symbol. This symbol is known as plus. And who invented this symbol? Who designed this symbol? See, do you know the name of the person who designed this symbol? Robert Robert recorded. He is the designer and inventor of the plus symbol. This is the history of addition. Do you know, children? Who invented these additions? Chinese invented these additions 6000 years ago. And what is the symbol derived for additions? Plus symbol. And who invented and who designed this symbol? Robert recorded. Okay, in which cases we have to do addition? See this chart, all of you. This is the plus symbol I drew here, and this represents always addition. Okay, children? And in what cases we have to use this plus symbol or addition? See, whenever you have to find the sum in the question, if you find sum, S-U-M sum, then you have to use this addition. And if you find the total value, if you find total, then only you have to use addition. Or find all or all together, then also you have to use plus symbol. And join the items and find the value. If the question is given like this, then also you have to use this plus symbol. You observe this chart, all of you, carefully. In which cases we have to use addition? For additions we use plus symbol. And in what cases we have to use this addition? When we have to find the sum or total, or we have to join the items or things, or we have to find the value of all objects or all together, then we have to use this plus symbol. Okay, children, let us know clearly about additions. See, addition means combining two items or things. Combining two items or things. For example, I have two chalk pieces in one hand, and in another hand I have three chalk pieces. Totally in both the hands, how many chalk pieces I have? Totally. What is the word I have used here? Totally. Then you have to use addition. What is the symbol we have to represent between these two items? Plus symbol. And here you have 1, 2 chalk pieces, 3, 4, 5. Totally we have 5 chalk pieces. So whenever you find this word, we have to use the plus symbol. Okay, children, is it clear? See, when you are combining two items or things, we are getting the answer. This answer, the result, this answer is known as result. The result of addition. This result of addition is known as sum or total. The result of addition is known as sum or total. Okay, let us take three numbers. See, to understand easily, just I am taking a single digit numbers. Okay, children? You are not small kids to learn these simple additions, but to understand the topic easily, I am taking the single digit numbers. For example, here I am taking 5, 3. You have to combine these two numbers. Combination, combining means you have to add. Then this symbol you have to use plus symbol. Then find the answer. 5 plus 3. What? How much? 8. This 8 is called result of addition. Okay? This result of addition is called as sum or total. This is very important point you have to remember. The result of addition is known as sum or total. Repeat the point again. Result of addition is known as sum or total. Okay, children? Here, this 5 and 3 also having a particular name. How many numbers we are adding and what are the numbers we are adding? Those numbers are called addends. What are they? the numbers we are adding are known as addends. Here, this is the term. Did you hear this word in 4th standard? Okay. The numbers we are adding are known as addends. After adding the addends, we will get the result. This result is known as sum or total. These are called terms of addition. Terms of addition. All these are basic things you have to learn. Okay, children? What are the terms of addition? In addition, we have two terms. What are they? Addends and sum or total. We have two terms in addition. They are addends and sum or total. What are addends? The numbers we are adding are called addends. And after adding the addends, we will get the result. This result is known as sum or total. Is it clear, children? Okay. Let us take another example. And in that example, we have to find out the sum and we have to represent the terms also. See here, just I am taking like this. I have taken some numbers and we have to add these numbers. Do you know how to add? From which place you have to add? Either from left side or right side? Yes, always we have to add from the right side only. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, children? So, you add the numbers 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. This is 686. Okay, how many numbers we have added here? 3 numbers. Then what are all these numbers are called? Exactly, these numbers are called addends. What are all these numbers are called? Addends. So how many addends are here in this sum? 3 addends. And what is the result we got after adding the addends? This is known as sum or total. Okay, children? This is known as sum or total. Okay. This is the introduction about addition and terms of addition. And we have some properties also for addition. Do you know what are the properties? See, let us go to the properties of addition. We have 3 properties in addition. How many properties in addition? We have 3 properties in addition. Properties of addition. Properties of addition. See, what is the first property? The first property. See, when you take 2 numbers, here I am taking single digit numbers 3 and 4. Here I have taken 2 numbers 3 and 4. Okay, add these 2 numbers. Add these numbers 3 plus 4. What is the answer? 3 plus 4. How much will you get? 7. Okay, here I have taken first place 3 and in the second place 4. But here in the second step I am changing the places of these 2 numbers. This is the first addend and this is the second addend. If you change the places of 4 and 3, then what is the answer? 4 plus 3. How much? 7. So what did you observe in this? When you change the order of the addends, the result will be same. Okay, that means first if you take 3 and if you add 4 to that, you will get the 7. Or first if you take 3, next you added 3 to that number, then also you will get 7. In both the cases, you got the result is same. That means if you change the order of the numbers, the result will be same. The result will not be changed. This is the property. So, what is the first property? If you change the order of the numbers, addings, you can say addings. If you change the order of the addings, the result will be same. The result will not be changed. So let us take another example. Shall we take two digit numbers? Yes. 26 plus 13. Find the answer. 26 plus 13. What is the answer here? 6 plus 3. How much? 9. 2 plus 1. 3. So what is the answer here? 39. This answer is known as sum or total. Or in the next case, you can take 30 in the first place and in the second place you can take 26. Now add these two numbers and see the answer. 3 plus 6, 9. 1 plus 2, 3. See, if you observe both the additions, in both the cases the result is same. Here what happened? We have changed the order of the addings, but the result will be same. The result is same. So this is the first property of addition. What is the first property of addition? If you change the order of the numbers, then also the result will be same. The result will not be changed. Is it clear, children? Okay, let us go to the second property of addition. What is the second property of addition? See here, take a single digit number 5 and 0. Okay, add these two numbers. 5 plus 0. What is the answer? You are adding 5 and 0. 0 means nothing. So, when you are adding 5 and 0, what will be the result? The same number you will get. Right, children? The same number you will get. Not only 5, if you take a 2-digit number also, if you add to 0, the same number you will get. So, if any number is added to the 0, what will be the answer? The same number you will get as a result. This is the second property. That means here when we are adding 0 to any number, the same number we are getting, no? Then in these cases, particularly this 0 is known as additive identity. This is very useful for the higher classes. Remember this point, children. Additive identity. This 0 is known as additive identity. Why we are saying this 0 is known as additive identity? When you are adding any number to this 0, you are getting the same number as result. Then this 0 is known as additive identity. This is the second property. Okay, children? What is the second property you have learned? Any number is added to 0, then the result is same number. What number you are adding to 0? The same number you will get as result. See here, you take a 3-digit number and add 0 to that number. Then what will be the answer? Again you will get the same number as result. Then what is the 0 called? 0 is called additive identity. This is the second property. Now go to the third property. See here, you take any 3 numbers. Just I am taking 2, 3 and 4. Okay, children? When you are taking 3 numbers, 2 plus 3 plus 4. For example, first if you add first 2 numbers and if you add the second number, 2 plus 3 how much? understand here? 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Again, you take like this. Now in this addition, you add these two numbers. This is 2. 3 plus 4, 7. Now 2 plus 7, how much? 9. Here also, this property is known as associative property. Of course, it will not be here in this 5th standard, but it will be useful for the higher classes. Okay, when you are taking 3 numbers and if you add in this order also, see the result is same. This property is called as associative property, and this is the third property of addition. And here in this property we have to observe another thing also. See, when you add two numbers, 2 plus 3, how much? 5. When you add two numbers, the result is always greater than the third number. That means, see here, 2 plus 3, how much? 5. This 5 is greater than 4 only, no? 4 is the third number. The sum of two numbers is always greater than the third number. In that property also we can discuss here. See here also, here the sum of two numbers, 3 plus 4 is 7. This 7 is greater than 2 only, no? So this is the, we can consider this property as third property. What is the third property? The sum of two numbers is always greater than the third number. When you get 3 numbers for addition, the sum of two numbers is always greater than the third number. This is the third property. See children, in this class what did you discuss? What did you learn? We have learned we have 4 basic operations in arithmetic. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. See here, we have learned about additions today. And who invented these additions? Chinese invented these additions. And who designed the symbol for addition? Robert Recordé. He designed the plus symbol for addition. And what is the plus symbol represents? This plus symbol represents sum. See this chart. See when you have to find sum or total, or you have to join the things, or you have to find the value all together, then we have to use this plus symbol. And we have some terms of addition. What are the terms of addition you have learned? Addends and sum or total. What are addends? The numbers we are adding in addition, they are called addends. And what is sum or total? The result we got finally after adding the addends, that is known as sum or total. And we have some properties of addition. How many properties we have learned here? 3 properties. What are the 3 properties? If you change the order of the addends, the result will be same. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Like that, if you change the numbers order, then also the result will be same. That is the first property. And coming to the second property, if you add any number to the 0, what will be the result? The same number will be the result. Then this 0 is known as additive identity. And coming to the third property, when you have to add 3 numbers, see, in whatever order you will be added the 3 numbers, the result will be same. This property is called associative property. And from this property we can learn another point also. The sum of two numbers is always greater than the third number. This is the third property. Children, did you understand the additions topic? Okay. In the next class we will discuss about exercises. Okay children? Bye.